Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the text in Inshot App. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Inshot App. So after opening the Inshot App, we have to click on the video, and now we have to choose the video, that which video you want to use. For example, I'm going to click on the new, and after clicking on the new, we have to choose the video. So for example, I'm going to use this video, and then we have to hit the right. And after that, as you can see, here's the text option. So we have to click on the text option. As you can see, here are the different type of text. So simply we have to click on the text and we want to add the text. So we have to write, for example, I want to write, how are you? And then simply we have to hit the right. As you can see, the text is added. Now if you want to increase the size, you can also do that. If you want to edit the text, you can also do that. Simply, as you can see, now we have to click on the text, and you will get some different options like the coloring option and the font style, and then each and everything is provided here. Animation also provided here. Now you have to choose, you have to apply these things. After doing these all things, simply you have to hit the right, and everything will be applied. And then as you can see that you can use the text now, and the text is here. So in this way you can add a text in Inshot App. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.